When you're out and about, you always want to be prepared for emergencies with a first aid kit. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I picked up this first aid kit because it was pretty inexpensive, but it looked like it had a lot of stuff in it. And when you're out doing activities, going out by yourself, risking a mechanical injury, stepping on something that you can't see in the snow, it's always good to have first aid. Even little injuries can become big problems if you can't take care of them. So I picked this up. It wasn't that expensive, and I thought we would unpack it and just see what you get in this little first aid kit. So here is the first aid kit. It comes in this nylon pouch, which is pretty nice. It's actually really, really light, so it's going to travel really nicely. We have a little tiny nylon loop up here, and then we also have a list of everything that you get here in this easy care system. So, man, we just get a bunch of stuff. If you don't want to watch the rest of the video, you don't have to watch me unbox it, but love that it comes with instructions as well. So you do get this pouch, and it's already locked here for safety and security, but I'm just going to tear it open. And it's for 1 to 2 people. Oops, stuff fell out already. So first thing we get here are a bunch of alcohol prep pads. So looks like at least 10 of those. So you can sterilize the area before you do anything on it. Then in here we have, looks like sterile elastic bandage, ace bandage. We have survival and medical instructions right in there. And then we also have a little oil-filled compass, so certainly some survival info. But then we also have a plastic whistle, which I really like. Slim, and you can use a little paracord to tie it around your neck. Does it work? Yeah, that works. I'm not surprised. Then in this other clear pocket, and I really like these clear pockets so you can see what's in here, we get a little tube of, looks like very small tweezers, which are nice. Splinters can be very annoying, so that can be nice for getting that out or cleaning a wound. Then it looks like we also have some athletic tape right here for bandaging stuff up. Looks like we have some moleskin right there. Take care of those blisters that you might have. I'm going to rip everything out here. All right, instructions for bleeding and CPR. We get a host of different bandages. These are like those butterfly bandages, kind of like sutures. And then we have a big one, big pad right there. Some of your standard, like typical Band-Aid type of bandages. Then some more of these, I don't know what they're called, but they're also like larger butterfly bandages. And then a bunch of the regular standard ones. And then we also have non-woven sponges. Sterile, so you can put those on a wound before you kind of tape it up, wrap it up. And different sizes here, so some bigger ones, you know, so a big scrape, you know, you fall, catch a little concrete or stone or something like that, you can take care of those kinds of wounds. Then we get a bunch of little ointments and whatnot, so sting relief, ooh, that's kind of nice. Yeah, I know how it sucks to be stung. Got stung by a wasp last summer, kind of hurt. Ibuprofen, which is nice. Antibiotic ointments to treat it before you do stuff. More ibuprofen. Difen, oh yeah, a tablet, of Difen right there. I'm not actually sure what that is. It's only one tablet. I'm gonna have to look it up. I don't know what Difen does. But, ooh, we get another tablet there. Aspirin, I know what that does. And non-aspirin, so if you need some pain reliever, but you can't take aspirin. So, that's what we get here. So, pretty nice little booty in a travelable first aid kit that only costs about 14 bucks. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!